Hello, in front of me I have Honor Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply press the side button, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon on it. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and then tap the check mark to confirm. And when the icon is highlighted, that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable this mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again, like this. We can also go to settings, so let's tap on the settings icon. And in settings we can scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and here we can enable Do Not Disturb by tapping on the switch on the next to or below the all day option and tap the check mark like this, and disable it by tapping on it again like that. But we can also set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, basically when it's gonna be turning on. You can set it to turn on automatically at certain hour and turn off automatically at another time. So to do it, we need to scroll down. Oh, we can't scroll down. We need to enable the schedule first. So let's tap on the switch like this, tap the check mark to confirm. And now we can scroll down. And here we have starting hour and end hour. Let's tap on start first. And here we can set up the or set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. To do it, swipe up and down to scroll through the hours, as you can see. First, let's set the hours. Let's set it to 4 p.m. for example. Then tap next. And here we can set the minutes. Let's set it to 30. So it's gonna be 4:30. Like that. Then tap OK. As you can see, start time is at 4:30 p.m. Now let's tap on end. Let's set it to 6. Then tap next. And then let's set it to 30 again. So it's gonna be 6:30 and tap OK. So now our Do Not Disturb mode will be turning itself on at 4:30 p.m. and turning itself off at 6:30 a.m. And you can also disable the schedule if you want to, or enable it back on by tapping on the slider. And once you're done, press the side button a couple of times to just go back to the watch face, like this. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.